Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview related tips in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe and you will have to achieve your success path with us, with help of us. So you will obviously get your job through help of us. So if you want these job related videos as well as career guidance related video, please subscribe and share these videos with your friends. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about 3 job notification from large IT industries. So let's start. Let's jump into these videos. If you have not still watched the previous videos which I have published, you can watch because Accenture of campus is going on, Wipro of campus is going on, and also Cisco, Emphasis of campus. All these of campuses are going on, so you can check those videos. So Cyient have published their video or published their notification to hire trainee apprenticeship position. So they are hiring basically trainee apprenticeship position for the working location Warangal, India, and any graduates are eligible, batch eligible mainly 2019, 2020, and 2021 pass outs. So 2020, 2019, 2020, and 21 pass outs need to have better communication skills and AutoCAD application knowledge. These 3 skill sets you must have, like AutoCAD, telecom domain knowledge, and communication skills you must be better knowledge. Then you need to apply, as last date is not mentioned. So if you click on apply link, it will redirect to this career page. Just 4 days ago this is published. So once again you can have a look and just click on apply. You can apply manually also, and you can click on autofill with resume. Anyone you can choose, or you can sign in with LinkedIn. So just click on apply manually. Then the application form will be shown to you. If you choose application with resume, what happens, sometimes few points are not taken through resume. If you select manually fill, there also you need to upload resume. So I prefer to fill the application from manually. So like, you need to give here your experience detail, your information, few application questions, few voluntary disclosures. Then you have to review your application and hit the submit button. Okay, so like few questions like, have you previously worked in sand country, your name, address, email address, all these things you need to fill up. So very simple steps, and if you face any challenge, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to solve. Let's jump into the next job notification, which is come from Siemens. Siemens is also a larger industry, and manpower is there. 3,79,000 people are there. They have 200 plus companies, 200 plus offices all over the world, and basically they are heading for Bangalore, India position. Uh, Basically, your profile name is trainee, and your group will be in finance department. The job ID mentioned is 274132. BTech, BCA, MCA, ME, Tech candidates are eligible. Uh, and also, you can go through the job descriptions. They are mentioning that if you were a BCom, MCom with minimum 0 to 1 year experience of accounting, taxation knowledge, then you can also join. Proficiency in MS Office packages are also important. Excellent verbal skills, typing skills are required. If you have some flexible work, rotational shift related ideas, or if you are ready to do that, then you are eligible. So you will get to visit other location in India also. So uh, you will have to get a chance work with the teams all over the India. If you're interested, click on apply link. This is the career page. There once again you can go through the notification. So just click on apply now button. So any graduates can eligible for this post. Okay, so BCom, MCom, all the students are also eligible. If you are not registered candidate, just click on register button and register your mail address there. After registration with your mail address and name, then you have to log in with your mail and password. Then again you need to fill the form. Okay, so same steps. Okay, Next job notification has come from HCL Technologies. They are hiring previous year candidates like 2017 batches, 2018 batches, 2019, 2020 as well as 2021 batch are eligible. It's a physical drive. That means you need to present in the institute, in the campus institute. It's a type of on-campus drive in a off-campus mode. So it will happen in Chennai Institute of Technology. So those students who are watching my video from Chennai location or besides Chennai location, those can apply and those can move to the location and give the examination there. The criteria they have set is 75% marks you need have in all the academic years, like from 10th to graduation, like 10th, 12th and undergraduate, and engineering pass out graduates must be from these years as I have mentioned are only eligible. CTC they are offering 3.65 LPA. CSC IT circuit branch students are eligible, not the mechanical civil one are the eligible one. Basically the exam will happen on uh, 9th of October and reporting time is 8:30 a.m. You need to reach Chennai Institute of Technology on 9th of October. First test will be on 9th of October, test 1. Shortlisted student will attend directly HR interview and you will get the offer. And who are joining the examination AN, that is the test 2, after getting shortlisted through this exam, you need to attend a direct HR interview, then you will receive offer. And on 10th October, those FN students who are not selected in the 9th October test will attend the direct technical interview and HR interview. Then if you are selected, then you will get offer. Okay, so that is the thing. It's a Google form. You need to sign in to fill up this form, like your institute name, university, location, your name, email ID, all your address, percentages, all details you need to provide, and then you will be able to submit this job application. So hope these 3 job notification really helps you to get the jobs, and for all of these jobs no payments are required. Beware of that fact that for IT industries job uh, no money is required. You just need to clear the rounds there, then you are eligible to crack the job in IT industries. So hope this video really helpful for you. Please hit the like button if you really like this content and share this news and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with new job updates.